If you use Notepad++, you need to listen up. For 6 months, one of the world's most popular text editors was the target of a sophisticated supply chain attack. We're not talking about a bug in the code, we're talking about a full-scale infrastructure hijacked by state-sponsored actors. Here's what happened and, more importantly, how you can tell if your machine is compromised. Between June and December 2025, attackers compromised the shared hosting infrastructure used by Notepad++. They didn't change the source code. Instead, they hijacked the update mechanism. When users clicked update, the app's updater would ask the server where to go. The attackers intercepted that request and redirected specific targeted users to a rogue server. This rogue server served a malicious installer. Because older versions of Notepad++ didn't strictly verify the digital signature of the downloaded file, the updater just ran it. Security researchers have linked this to a Chinese state-sponsored group. This wasn't a random attack, it was a highly selective surgical strike. The attackers were incredibly stealthy. Even after the hosting provider performed server maintenance in September 2025, which actually kicked the hackers off the server, the attackers kept control. How? They had stolen internal service credentials that allowed them to keep manipulating update traffic until December 2nd. The payload? A custom backdoor using DLL sideloading, basically hiding inside legitimate processes to stay invisible. If you updated Notepad++ during that window, there's a chance your system was communicating with a command and control server without you ever knowing. So, how do you fix it? Step 1. Check your version. If you are on anything older than version 8.89, you are at risk. Step 2. Update immediately. The updater now verifies the certificate and digital signature of every download. If it's not signed by the official Global Sign certificate, the update will fail. Step 3. Clean install. If you think you were targeted, don't just update. Uninstall Notepad++, delete the folders in your app data and temp directories, and download a fresh copy directly from the official site. Step 4. Indicators of compromise. Look for a file named update.exe or AutoUpdater.exe in your temp folder. The real Notepad++ doesn't use those names for updates. This incident is a massive reminder that even the simplest tools we trust every day can be turned into a backdoor. Check your version, stay updated, and stay safe. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more security breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next one.